Yanqing Node information. Global AI News Summary, July 15th to July 16th, 2025. DDN and Polarise partner to deliver sovereign sustainable AI factories for Europe. Content. DDN announced on July 15, 2025, a strategic partnership with Polarise, an emerging European pioneer in sovereign sustainable AI infrastructure, to provide high-performance, environmentally friendly AI computing solutions for Europe. This collaboration aims to meet Europe's growing demand for independent AI infrastructure, ensuring data sovereignty and sustainability, which is increasingly important with the implementation of the European AI Act and a focus on data privacy. This initiative reflects Europe's broader trend towards autonomy in AI infrastructure and will help European organizations gain advanced AI computing capabilities while complying with regulatory requirements. Europe AI startups surge 55% year-over-year in Q1 2025. Content. According to a July 14th EU startup report, European AI startup investments grew 55% year-over-year in Q1 2025 compared to Q1 2024. Nearly 48% of new unicorn companies in 2025, 11 out of 23, were AI-related startups. Companies like Mistral AI are leading the open-source movement with a $6 billion valuation, while Germany's N8N is revolutionizing automation with its open-source workflow engine. Munich-based Helsing secured €600 million in Series D funding in June, valuing it at €12 billion. Sweden's Lovable achieved $17 million in annual recurring revenue in just 3 months, making it one of the fastest-growing AI development platforms globally. Europe's AI strength is noted not only in speed, but also in its structure, with open-source principles, privacy-first architectures, and decentralized values at the core of its AI strategy. Germany plans AI offensive to catch up key technologies. Content. Germany plans to leverage AI to support Europe's largest economy by 2030, aiming for AI to contribute 10% of its economic output. The global AI development race, with China, the US, and India leading, has prompted Germany and the EU to accelerate their pace. A draft strategy from Germany's research ministry indicates AI will be a core tool in key research areas. Economists advocate for rapid AI deployment to maintain German industrial competitiveness, expecting annual productivity growth of 0.9% from 2025 to 2030, increasing to 1.2% in the 2030s. Germany intends to use €20 billion in EU funds by 2027 to build AI superfactories and plans to develop 2 error-correcting quantum computers by 2030. An OECD 2024 report advises Germany to utilize AI to address challenges like green transition, administrative efficiency, and healthcare quality. Nvidia, AMD to resume AI chip sales to China after U.S. reversal. Content. On July 15th, Nvidia and AMD announced plans to resume selling certain AI chips to China after receiving assurances from the U.S. government regarding export license approvals. U.S. officials informed Nvidia that export licenses for its H20 AI accelerator would be approved, potentially adding billions of dollars in revenue for Nvidia this year. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang, participating in a government-sponsored conference in Beijing, stated on Chinese state television that the company received approval to begin shipments. AMD also received similar assurances from the U.S. Commerce Department and plans to resume shipping MI308 chips to China once sales licenses are approved. However, China has grown accustomed to verbal assurances that can change, and during the U.S. restriction period, China's domestic AI chip industry, led by Huawei Ascend, rapidly developed and gained significant market share. Therefore, Nvidia's return to the market will require explaining product performance limitations to customers and directly competing with local competitors who offer advantages in pricing, services, and ecosystem. LG launches Korea's first hybrid AI model Xeon 4.0. Content. On July 15th, LG AI Research launched Xeon 4.0, Korea's first hybrid AI model, which combines the strengths of large language models and reasoning AI, performing exceptionally well in global benchmark tests. This marks LG's second major AI milestone this year, following the launch of Korea's first reasoning AI model, Xeon Deep, in March. In benchmark performance tests, Xeon 4.0 surpassed leading open-source models from the US, China, and France across multiple metrics. Currently, only a few global companies, including Anthropic, developer of Claude, from the US and Alibaba, developer of Qwen, from China, have released similar hybrid AI models. LG also released Xeon 4.0 as an open-weight model on the global open-source AI platform Hugging Face for research and educational purposes. Through a partnership with Friendly AI, LG also launched commercial API services for Xeon 4.0, expecting the API release to accelerate AI application adoption across various industries. DFINITY unveils AI-driven Web3 platform Caffeine. Content. DFINITY officially launched Caffeine on July 15th at the Hello, Self-Writing Internet event in San Francisco, an AI-driven Web3 platform built on ICP. This platform enables users to build decentralized applications using natural language without writing code. This debut marks a significant milestone for Internet Computer's strategy of integrating on-chain AI with seamless dApp creation, sparking buying interest later that day. Caffeine's launch is a crucial part of Internet Computer's strategy to integrate AI technology directly into blockchain infrastructure. The platform's release garnered investor attention as it represents a significant advancement in the convergence of Web3 and AI technologies. The DFINITY Foundation also burned over 1 million tokens to tighten supply, while its new VetKeys privacy protocol addresses key issues in blockchain data security. With AI becoming achievable on-chain through Caffeine and technical buyers stepping in near key support levels, ICP appears poised to retest the $5.40 resistance level. Oracle to invest $3 billion in AI and cloud infrastructure. Content. Oracle announced a $3 billion investment over the next 5 years in Germany and the Netherlands to enhance its AI and cloud computing infrastructure. The Texas-based company joins numerous tech firms pledging tens of billions of dollars to meet growing cloud computing demand. Last year, Amazon announced a €10 billion investment in Germany, totaling €17.8 billion. Global tech companies are expected to invest $320 billion in AI in 2025. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg stated plans to invest hundreds of billions of dollars in building AI data centers. Analysts note that cloud and AI services from companies like Oracle are replacing traditional IT enterprise software. Now Microsoft's Copilot Vision AI can scan everything on your screen. Content. Microsoft is rolling out a significant update to Copilot Vision for Windows Insiders, allowing the AI tool to see and analyze all content on the user's screen. Unlike previous versions that could only observe 2 applications simultaneously, the new feature can monitor the entire desktop or any specific browser and application window. This feature is entirely opt-in, requiring users to actively share their screen, differentiating it from the recall feature, which previously raised privacy concerns. When enabled, Copilot can provide real-time guidance, analyze content, or answer questions about on-screen information, aiming to enhance user productivity and creativity. Broadcom launches new Tomahawk Ultra networking chip in AI battle against Nvidia. Content. On July 15th, Broadcom launched its latest Tomahawk Ultra networking processor, designed to accelerate data processing speeds for artificial intelligence and high-performance computing (HPC). This chip functions as a traffic controller, connecting hundreds of co-working chips within data centers, directly competing with industry giant Nvidia's NVLink switch chip. Unlike competitors that use proprietary protocols, the Tomahawk Ultra utilizes high-speed Ethernet technology, achieving ultra-low latency and lossless packet delivery, and can connect up to 4 times more chips. Manufactured by TSMC, this chip has begun shipping, marking Broadcom's new challenge to Nvidia in the AI infrastructure hardware sector. Meta fixes bug that could leak users' AI prompts and generated content. Meta has fixed a security vulnerability in its AI chatbot that allowed users to access and view other users' private prompts and AI-generated content. Security researcher Sundeep Hadkasia discovered the issue, successfully retrieving other users' data by modifying unique IDs generated when editing prompts. The root cause of the vulnerability was Meta servers failing to properly verify the identity permissions of data requesters, leading to potential privacy breaches. Meta deployed a fix on January 24, 2025, and paid the discoverer a $10,000 bug bounty, stating no evidence of malicious exploitation was found. Murati's Thinking Machines Lab is worth $12 billion in seed round. Content. Thinking Machines Lab, an AI startup founded by former OpenAI CTO Murati, officially completed a $2 billion seed funding round led by Andreessen Horowitz. This round attracted numerous tech giants, including Nvidia, AMD, and Cisco, valuing the less-than-year-old company at an astonishing $12 billion. Although the company has not yet announced its specific products, Murati revealed they would be unveiled in the coming months, with plans to offer a significant open-source product to help researchers build custom AI models. This record-breaking seed funding highlights investors' immense enthusiasm for emerging AI labs and positions Thinking Machines Lab as a strong contender to challenge industry leaders like OpenAI. AI coding tools are shifting to a surprising place: the terminal. Content. The focus of AI coding tool development is shifting from traditional code editors to the more fundamental command line terminal. This shift is marked by leading labs like Anthropic, DeepMind, and OpenAI launching command line-based coding tools that have quickly gained popularity among developers. Unlike tools solely focused on code writing, terminal AI agents can handle a broader range of tasks, including server configuration, dependency resolution, and environment debugging across the entire development process. This new approach better leverages AI agents' autonomous problem-solving capabilities, indicating that most future AI interactions with computers may occur through terminal-like interfaces. Israel outpaces EU in AI use, led by high-tech sector. Content. According to Central Bureau of Statistics data released on July 15, nearly 28% of Israeli businesses use artificial intelligence in their operations, exceeding the EU average of 13%. High-tech companies lead this trend, with 60% of high-tech firms adopting AI, over half of which use it through paid services. Large companies are more likely to use AI intensively compared to smaller ones. While 42% of managers reported AI replacing routine tasks, 14% noted it handled complex functions previously performed by employees. Despite concerns about automation, 89% of businesses reported no change in employee numbers. Looking ahead, 28% of businesses plan to adopt AI within 6 months. Israel's AI adoption rate significantly outpaces the EU, reflecting the country's leading position in technological innovation, especially in the high-tech sector. Voice AI startup Navina.ai raises 7 million rupees funding. Content. According to a July 15 report, Voice AI startup Navina.ai raised 7 million rupees, $800,000, in pre-series of funding led by Antler India, with participation from investors including Ronnie Scrivela. This startup focuses on developing and applying voice AI technology to address voice recognition and processing needs in the Indian market. Its technology platform can handle various local Indian languages, providing voice AI solutions for different industries. The funds will be used for product development, team expansion, and market outreach. Navana.ai's funding reflects the vibrancy of India's AI startup ecosystem, particularly the innovation potential in voice technology. The company plans to use this capital to accelerate the commercialization of its AI voice technology and expand its market presence in India. This funding also demonstrates investor confidence in Indian AI tech startups, especially those focused on localized solutions. Spursh CCTV, Innovis Technologies, and Cron AI partner to offer a security and intelligent transport system, ITS, solution across India. Content. On July 15th, Spursh CCTV announced partnerships with Innovis Technologies and Cron AI to provide security and intelligent transport system solutions nationwide in India. This collaboration comes as India's perimeter security sector is valued at $3.23 billion and is projected to grow at a 14% CAGR by 2030. The intelligent transport market is currently valued at $1.44 billion and is expected to more than double by 2033. Spursh, with its presence in over 120 cities, a network of over 2,000 partners, and an annual production capacity exceeding 500,000 security devices, will lead market promotion efforts. The edge sensing nodes, combining high-performance LiDAR, deep learning perception, and visual analytics, are expected to be part of planned security infrastructure upgrades for critical infrastructure in India. These systems are designed to provide real-time insights into vehicle movements, pedestrian safety, and perimeter activities, with all processing done at the edge, eliminating reliance on cloud computing or high-power infrastructure. The integrated platform considers the complexities of Indian outdoor environments, including high temperatures, dust, glare, fog, and electrical instability, and provides continuous, low-latency sensing capabilities at the edge.